Which wooden cutting boards are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the gems. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 that stand out from the crowd.
Product number 1, Astercook Bamboo Cutting Board Set. First up, we have the Astercook Deep Carbonized Bamboo Cutting Boards. Priced at just $23.72, this set caught my attention because of its beautiful design and practical features. If you want a durable and stylish cutting board set, this is worth a serious look. The boards are crafted from deep carbonized bamboo, which means they resist warping and cracking better than many alternatives. Each board has deep juice grooves to catch excess liquids, keeping your countertop clean while preparing meats or fruits. Plus, the set includes 3 different sizes, perfect for various tasks, from chopping veggies to serving charcuterie. With over 10,000 units sold just last month, it's clear people are loving this set. Now, some users mentioned that the boards can retain odors if not washed properly. Here's the thing though, this is a common issue with any wooden cutting boards. Just make sure to clean them thoroughly and they'll serve you well for years. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, functional cutting board set that also looks great on your kitchen counter. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's dishwasher safe, as the boards need to be hand washed. For the price though, you're getting great value for a set that combines durability with elegance. Now, if the potential odor issue with the Astercook bothered you, this next one might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Freshware Bamboo Cutting Board Set. Next, let's talk about the Freshware Bamboo Cutting Board Set, available for just $13.99. What caught my eye here is the unique craftsmanship and the fact that you get 3 boards in one package. If you're after a safe and effective cutting solution, this set deserves your attention. These boards are made from 100% sustainable bamboo, which is not only eco-friendly, but also much kinder to your knives than plastic or glass. The lightweight design makes them easy to handle, and the hanging hole is a thoughtful touch for convenient storage. With 3 sizes included, you'll have the right board for every task, whether it's slicing bread or prepping meat. People are clearly buying into this, with over 10,000 sold last month. However, some customer reviews mention that the boards can feel a bit thin. I'll be honest with you, while they are lightweight, this might not be ideal for heavy-duty chopping. If you're someone who does a lot of hardcore meal prep, you might find them less sturdy. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that covers all the basics. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for frequent use, but at this price, they're a steal for casual cooks. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra durability.
Product number 3, ZWEC Bamboo Cutting Board Set. Now, let's check out the ZWEC 3-piece set bamboo cutting boards, priced at $12.99. I was drawn to these because of their promise of lasting durability. If you want a board that can handle daily use without showing wear, this might be your go-to. These boards are made from carbonized bamboo, which means they're crack-resistant and won't warp easily. The pre-oiled surface not only protects your knife blades, but also avoids splintering. Plus, the deep juice grooves are great for keeping your countertops pristine during meal prep. With over 10,000 sold, they're clearly making waves. However, a few customers reported the boards can be slippery when wet. Here's my take. That's not unusual for any cutting board, and as long as you're mindful during use, it's manageable. This set is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and ease of cleaning. Skip this if you prefer a thicker, heavier board for tougher jobs, but for the price, you really can't go wrong here. If a thicker design is what you're after, let's move on to a more substantial option.
Product number 4, Royal Craft Wood Cutting Board Set. Next up, we have the Royal Craft Wood Wooden Cutting Board Set, priced at $33.97. The first thing that caught my eye was its elegant design, perfect for both meal prep and serving. If you want a cutting board that doubles as a serving platter, this one is worth considering. This set includes 3 sizes, which is great for everything from quick fruit prep to carving larger meats. The built-in side handles are a fantastic feature, making it easy to move from kitchen to table. Made from natural bamboo, it's gentle on your knives and tough against scratches and marks. Plus, the deep juice grooves really help keep your space mess-free,
With over 7,000 sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice. One downside? Some users mentioned it can be a bit pricey compared to other options. I'll be real with you. While it's more expensive, the quality and versatility you get is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want a board that looks as good as it performs. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but if you want quality, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, this next one is a fantastic option.
Product number 5, Kitsure Bamboo Cutting Board. Finally, let's take a look at the Kitsure Bamboo Cutting Board, priced at just $9.99. This cutting board caught my attention due to its multiple size options and overall design. If you're after an affordable and practical cutting board, this is definitely worth considering. Made from 100% bamboo, it's known for its durability and resistance to breaking. The deep juice grooves are an excellent feature for catching excess liquids, and it's designed to be gentle on knife blades, so your cutlery stays sharp longer. The hanging hole is also a nice touch for easy storage. With over 3,000 sold last month, it's a solid choice for many. However, there were some complaints about the board being a bit lightweight, which can make it feel less stable during use. Honestly, while it's true, it's a trade-off for the price and versatility. This is perfect for you if you want something budget-friendly and versatile for everyday use. Skip this if you need a heavier board for more serious prep work, but for the price point, it's a great deal.
So, there you have it. 5 awesome wooden cutting boards that cater to different needs. The Astercook offers durability and style. The Freshware is budget-friendly and versatile. The Ziawek is built to last. The Royal Craftwood is perfect for sewing, and the Kitsure gives you great value for money. Choose the one that best fits your kitchen needs.